Today is February 1st, 2026. There's some dripping going on here. I don't know if the camera can catch it. That looks kind of cool. It's from these, look at that huge, massive icicle up there. This is Robinson Township, just outside of Pittsburgh, PA. It's been exactly 1 week since we got hit with a pretty big snowstorm. Cleared out my driveway myself. I dug out my truck here. Made a little bit of progress over here. I believe over the last week since the snowstorm, we got about 22 inches. The road itself has made there's been a lot of progress made on this road. This thing was like super skinny, still kind of is. Pretty much everyone is, someone's getting in that car. Pretty much everyone has cleared their driveway to some degree. There's one car or one driveway I've seen in this little section that has not cleared the driveway at all, but I'm just recording this for history. It's in the single digits today. It started out in the negatives from last night. Here's what the rest of the road looks like. It's actually a lot better than it was earlier this week. Kind of wish I would have gotten a video like right after it to see the original or the initial impact. That highway that you see over there is 79. If we had X-ray vision, like just looking straight ahead that way, we would be looking at the US Steel Tower. If we went all the way up there, we could see it. Maybe I will walk up there. But here's all the snow. There's the apartment complex that's right by the townhouses. Overall, a lot of snow. Here, let me see if I can do it. Here. Nah, I can't do it good. I slipped on my leg. I look like an idiot. Car saw me. But yeah, so maybe we'll walk up to the top of the hill. Okay. I actually decided to go up to I'm gonna see how good this looks in the 0.5, but I made it to the top row of townhouses so we could see the US Steel Tower. I'm gonna go back to the 1X. But if you can make it out over there. There's the steel tower. How close can we get to the 2X? 466. That's what we're maxing out on. So we got a lot of snow. As you can see, there's more gnarly icicles. Yeah, crazy stuff. There's one of the houses down there where that truck is, where they have not shoveled their driveway at all. I'm not throwing shade or anything, just an observation. On my walk down, I'll try to catch some of the more gnarly icicles that are on some of these houses. As I'm walking back down, another little view of the city again. It got me thinking about how one of the kind of neat things about geography in Pittsburgh, like all the neighborhoods are nestled in these, with all the valleys and the mountains and the hills and everything. All of the little suburbs and boroughs are kind of nestled in their own little neighborhoods. And then whenever you get to the top, you kind of see a lot, like see the city. I've never been to Chicago, but I've seen Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and it looks like it's like super flat, kind of more out in as you go west. As I was saying, when I get back down, look at these huge icicles as I walk down. It's like insane. Even bigger ones coming up. Again, of this about 22 inches of snow. Slightly a little misleading maybe on this section just because of snow plows, but coming up, you can see again huge icicles. Huge. I mean, that thing's like the length of the house. I mean, the length of the upper portion of the first floor. I mean, that's at least, those are at least almost 20 foot icicles. I mean, I'm not good at estimating distance. I mean, that's huge as well. That's thick too. I mean, we got thick ones, we got thin ones. They're all huge. So scary though. Drop on your head. I don't know if they could kill you. Maybe. Someone should do a test on that. I'm actually have to look that up. But, and again, from the other view of what there's my truck in quotation marks, but I cleared this out a little bit today and then I was tired, so I stopped. But yeah, crazy stuff. And there's the one house that they have not shoveled at all. They have a Jeep, so they've just been going up and down. Anyway, I just wanted to make little observations and document this huge snowstorm in 2026. Anyway.